Hi everyone, Gretchen from Natural Horseman Saddles, and spring is in the air here in Colorado and hopefully for where many of you are at. Anyway, I wanted to talk to you about changing out some saddle strings on your saddle. This is one of our Durango deep seat saddles, and today we're just going to give you a quick lesson on how to change out your saddle strings with the slotted concho. So when we're replacing our slotted conchos with our new saddle strings, the only thing we need for tools is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. The flathead just kind of helps you get the knot out. I use it as kind of a leverage when I'm moving the saddle strings. The Phillips head, there's going to be a couple screws on your cinch hanger catch, and you will see that once you start going through the photos to follow. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial on changing out your saddle strings with slotted conchos, and please feel free to email us at saddles@naturalhorsemansaddles if you have any further questions. Thanks so much.